Kylie, and today I'm going to show y'all how to make the iris stitch. So this is a really neat and fun stitch to make. It would be great for spring and summer projects because it is kind of cool and airy, as I will show y'all. I have a test swatch. And you can see how it has this kind of open, airy texture. It looks almost kind of like a V-stitch. It's between like a V-stitch and a shell stitch. So you can see how pretty that looks. I am using a two-toned yarn to work this up, and we will jump right to the tutorial and show you how to get started. So to get started, you will need yarn and a hook. For this tutorial, I'm just using a worsted weight yarn and an eye or 5.5 millimeter hook. So I've made a slip knot here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my hook. So for this particular stitch, you will need to chain a multiple of 4 plus 3. So I'm going to just do a little test swatch here, and I'm going to chain 23 stitches. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we are going to work in the 5th chain from our hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the 5th chain from our hook, we're going to work a double crochet, another double crochet. We're going to chain 1 and then work 2 more double crochet. So there's what that looks like, and we'll continue. So now we're going to skip 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. So then that next stitch, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to work 2 double crochet, chain 1, and then 2 more double crochet. And we're going to continue that all the way down our chains. We're going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3. Then that next one, 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 more double crochet. And I'm going to continue that all the way down until I get to the last 2 chain stitches. Okay, now that I have went all the way across, I have made it to the last 2 chain stitches. I'm going to skip 1 and work a double crochet in the very last one. And that is row 1. Going on to row 2, you will chain 3, turn your work, and then we will work 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochet in this chain 1 space. Like that. And then we will repeat that all the way across. So I will continue working 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochet in each chain 1 space across this piece. Okay. After you have reached your very last chain 1 space, we will double crochet in the top of our previous chain 3 from the previous row. On the first row, it's going to be that chain 5. It's going to be the very top stitch. And for each row after row 2, it'll be the top of the chain 3. Just place a double crochet there, and that is row 2. And you will simply keep repeating row 2 till you have your desired length. And that's all there is to making the iris stitch. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. If y'all did, be sure to click subscribe and go check out my blog for lots of free crochet patterns. Happy crocheting!